Can you diagnose this newborn? A 6-hour-old baby girl presents with coughing, choking, and turning blue during her very first feeding. Her mother's pregnancy was complicated by gestational diabetes and polyhydramnios. On examination, the baby is irritable with continuous frothing and bubbling from her mouth and nose, and her abdomen is visibly distended. Which of these congenital conditions should you suspect? Is it A, esophageal atresia, B, a tracheoesophageal fistula, or C, both of the above? The correct answer is C, both of the above. Esophageal atresia and tracheoesophageal fistula commonly occur together. The blocked esophagus causes feed regurgitation and drooling, while the connection to the trachea allows air into the stomach, causing abdominal distension. Would you like to play more fun clinical scenarios like this? Get Clinical Odyssey today to access over 850 medical scenarios.